Is it just me, or is there something really disconcerting about this shot? Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make the easiest pumpkin spice pancakes ever. Now I love pumpkin spice all the things, and I am not ashamed to admit it. How about you? Let me know in the comments. Right, let's get started. First, 120 grams of self-raising flour, 2 tablespoons of light muscovado sugar, a pinch of salt. Now the spice is the best part. I've got half a teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and just a pinch of cloves. That's all you need because cloves are very strong. They'll even turn your mouth numb if you have too much. Now I'm just going to give it a little bit of a stir and then add the wet ingredients. So for the wet, you need 1 egg, 2 tablespoonfuls of vegetable oil, 100 grams of pumpkin, that's the most important part, and 100 millilitres of milk, which I'm actually going to add bit by bit so it doesn't get all lumpy. Now give it a good old whisk until you have a nice smooth thick batter. Lovely. Now on a low to medium heat, I'm going to add a little vegetable oil to the pan and then wipe it off so I have a nice smooth surface for my pancakes. Dollop a bit in. Wait about 1.5 minutes until you see lots of bubbles forming on the surface. Wait for it. There we go. If you have tryptophobia, I sincerely apologise. Now we're going to flip it over and then just cook it for another 30 seconds. That's all it needs on the second side. Rescue the pancake and do it all over again. I think this year we've come full circle with the pumpkin spice trend. First it was really trendy, then it was really trendy to hate on people that loved it, and now it's become trendy to love it again. I've always loved it, I don't care. I'm just going to take a little close up so you can see the pancake puff up. That's why it's important to use self-raising flour, not plain flour. You need that rise and puff. If you do use plain flour, just add a teaspoon of baking powder, that'll make it puff up too. Stack them up nice and tall for the gram. And then I like to serve mine with a little salted butter and plenty of maple syrup. I'm super excited for my next video, guys. Well, I'm always super excited, but particularly so this time because I'll actually have a proper microphone. At the moment I'm just using the one that's attached to my earphones, which is pretty naff to be honest. So excited! Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Catch me next Wednesday for my next cook and chat video. It's going to be one hot potato of a topic, so brace yourselves. And in the meantime, find me on Instagram as Pancakes Tastes, where I'm most active on social media. Too active, to be honest. And as always, you can visit my blog pancakes.com for full written out recipes. Stay safe, be nice, and have a good week.